What is going on here today is we are set up for you to take whatever you want to take. This was an orthodontic practice that I have retired, and we are disposing of all the equipment. And we are donating it to, now that I know their name, JAHJAH Foundation, for them to establish a site where people can get some charitable dental care. And hopefully this will be the start of whatever equipment they need.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Dr. Friedman.
You're welcome, Trevor.
On behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation, we appreciate you. Thank you.
Okay.
We're here to pick up some donations for dental supplies from our office here in Morris Plains.
Where's it going?
It's going straight down to Jamaica.
I thought, you know what, I'll bring the trailer just in case, because anything that we can put on there and give to somebody else, let's do it. So anyway, here's Dr. Friedman, and let's wipe him out because he's gracious enough. Seriously,
It's going to a good cause.
and you know, better than in a landfill somewhere. It's gonna make a difference. It's gonna make a huge difference.
We did good. We came here, we packed all the stuff that we needed. And thank God that you helped us out, because I'm telling you, if it wasn't for you and the vision of everyone else, we wouldn't have gotten through with all this stuff. So, you know,
And if it wasn't Mr. Roy who made the connection too, so.
Big up Transcribe shipping every time. Always there for the JAHJAH Foundation and for all Jamaicans.
I do the thing, I do the right thing, you know?
Of course, we definitely have to.
yeah.
She's so excited about this thing, more than us. You understand?
We have to be.
That's good, you know? I see another team member again, crew. Part of the crew, yes.
What's your name?
Joy Lynch.
So how did you hear about this? Tell us about this project here, this dental. Tell us from the beginning.
Okay, so Carol, she's a friend of mine, and she always hears about medical supply stuff or things in a whole, and she knows that I do. I actually give things away. I send medical supply stuff to Jamaica, and I also give persons here things. So whatever she has or hear about, she's always calling me to let me know what is available. So if I can't use it, I pass it on.
So what is your hope for these equipment? What is your hopes and dreams that this equipment will do?
The equipment that, you know, persons that are in need. It's all about need. Persons who can't afford, because then I know what it's like when you can't afford certain things, you don't get it done. So persons who can't afford dental services, and you know, they'll be able to access it.
Where in Jamaica are you from?
I'm from Mandeville.
Mandeville. Is that
Beautiful Mandeville!
Is that where you're born?
Yes, Mandeville, Manchester.
Okay. Well, thank you for your support. And so this is the heavy lifting that we talk about, you know.
Yeah, we're heading out to Transcarib to get these items that was donated, shipped out to Jamaica to help the people out with JAHJAH Foundation.
Okay, have a safe journey, sir. Thank you. Dr. Dixon with JAHJAH Foundation. I'm here again. I'm tired. We just moved out of dental office, Morris Plains, New Jersey. Dr. Friedman donated his dental office, which includes 3 chairs and other dental equipment. And we know that dental care is something that is much needed in Jamaica. We have fundraisers coming up. We have a boat ride and we have a gala in November. And we need your support so much. We have equipment here to ship to Jamaica. and it's going to cost us anywhere from $4,000 to $6,000 US to ship these equipment. So we need you to come out to the fundraisers. We need your support, JAHJAH Foundation.